I got it. God damn.
You can take it anytime you want. If you got the key, I'll put that off. And the only time I use it is usually go over here and cut the grass. And Devin did. Why did that?
Yeah.
Well, anyhow.
I took your job. What do you got? You got beer in there? You gonna drink some today?
No, this is to kill some weeds.
Do you drink it all today?
I got some at the house. You want some?
No, not for me.
Huh?
I'm good.
I mean, if you need some, it's there. I just bought 36 cans. There's plenty there.
Alright.
All right, buddy, you be careful.
Will do. Well, that would have really fucking sucked. Hopefully the day doesn't get any worse than that. What's going on, guys? I'm almost fucking dropped my bike pulling it out of my fucking dirt driveway. It looked bad, but I really had it under control somewhat. Well, these last couple of fucking weeks have been hell for me. I'm kind of glad that pretty much everything's almost over with. I need to fucking get gas. I don't even think I have my fucking wallet with me. Well, I'm heading out. I'm gonna go see Josh and Jess this morning. I really don't know what's in store for today. But I would really want to fucking go out and ride somewhere. Weather's been pretty shitty, and even now clouds are rolling in. It always gets around this time, or it gets bad around this time in Florida. It's just like every fucking day it rains, and it's really hard to actually get on a bike. I mean, I'm talking about rain that like pours in fucking sideways. That shit sucks. You know, I know about people that only have motorcycles as their main transportation. You gotta ride through that shit. You got more balls than I do. I mean, I love riding in the rain at some points when it's really, really fucking hot. But if it's raining at my house, I'm not getting on the bike to get wet. I've been showing my buddies at work some videos of what Shadetree's been doing, and it's funny to see what people's reactions are to it. And I mean, the one that t-shirts made me do it, we're imitating a bunch of drugs, and then, you know, going out and riding or whatever, and, you know, fucking around. I showed my boss that video, and mind you, you know, people would say, oh, that's not a good idea. You know, your boss could be like, oh, well, you're fucking doing drugs, I'm gonna fire your ass. Because I mean, the people I work with, they've lived through the 70s and 80s and shit like that, and they're fucking, oh, I remember fucking getting, you know, barred out on Saturdays and fucking be tripping on Sundays, and I'd do it all over again next weekend and smoke weed Monday through Friday. I mean, the shit that I've heard from some of these guys is fucking hilarious. Yeah. Okay, sweetheart. I know your Prius can't go that fast. Here we are. Don't fucking yell at me. Huh? I was pushing it out of the driveway, and I was walking up next to John's car, pushing it, and it was like, and it started going over to the right. I think we're gonna get wet. Fucking sucks. Wasn't supposed to rain today. What do you know? And right as I say that, fucking Florida. What the fuck? God damn, it's fucking cold too. That's like, what the fuck? Right as I'm sitting there talking about it wasn't supposed to rain today, and it's just like boop boop boop. Huh? What's wrong, Josh?
I wasn't wet.
Make a run for it!
Run!
Run!
Josh is like a cat. Doesn't like rain. Scared. Made of sugar. See, his face doesn't even like to get wet. This is the All Fearless shade tree surgeon. Scared of a little rain.
Dennis talks about you.
I can't hear you.
He's recording.
I know.
This is my revenge, Josh. Just wait. More to come.
Hello. Hey. Concentration. It's dangerous, okay?
I turned you into a hashtag, Devin.
Hashtag what?
Stop looking, Devin. Hey,
Look at that.
we're driving home now.
Stops raining.
Yeah.